This is 2017 200 series LandCruiser. So this is V8 engine. So I'm going to replace for the 8 injectors. You can see here I already pulled out the injectors line. So this is the first injector. This is a number 3 injector. So after that we have to remove that chamber washer. Okay, we have to remove the 8 chamber washers, then have to put the new washer in back in. So number 2 chamber washer. We already off the 8 injectors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and also this side, the passenger side. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. I'm going to install the number 1, the injector. You can see they put the chamber washer and put that number 1 mark here. Going to install number 2 injector. Already installed the 4 injectors. You can see 1, 2, 3 and number 4. After that we install the injector. We tighten the injector, the bolt. That one is a 21 Newton meter and this one 18 Newton meter. So the cover and the wiring connector, all the 4 injector lines you can see in here. And this side you have to put back the top cover, and after that put the intake duct and the EGR, put back the valve and sockets. That's it.